Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. We're out here looking at figs. You know, and figs don't come ripe all at the same time, so you do kind of have to pick through them, and they're not all the same color. You can't really use the color as an indication except on the individual tree. This particular variety is from an old tree up in Clifton that is ancient. Nobody knows what variety it is. Quite old. So these actually are kind of a yellowish green when they're ripe. So how do we know when they're ripe? Well, if you look, you can see that the stem is starting to droop. See how the stem is drooping a little bit on that one as opposed to these others. This one, the stem has got a little droop to it. It's getting soft. Well, look at this. I bend it and it comes off easy. So there's a ripe one right there. Whereas these are still quite hard and don't come off. So they're a few at a time, and it's getting late in the season, so there's not as many. Let's see what else we can find. Here's one. Again, you can see the stem starting to droop. It's soft. Came off easy. How about this one? Nope. So we got a couple of figs that time. So that's how you know when a fig is ripe. And again, they have different colors. You know, there are so many kinds of fig. This particular one, that's the color it is when it's ripe. And this is what the inside looks like. Very, very sweet. Old variety.